Hello Heathens at Home viewers, and welcome back to another short film or mini video on how to draw. So we've been doing this series of mini videos on how to draw, and we've done stars and we've done hearts so far, and now we're working on flowers. So we've already done our simple line drawing of some cow parsley, a wildflower drawing. This time we're going to be working on this petalled flower with more solid leaves, and it's really simple to do. Just like the last one, all you need is some paper. You can use a pencil and a rubber if you want to sketch out your flower first. I'm probably going to go straight in with a pen of how to draw it. But I have actually made an instruction sheet, and hopefully you can see this here, which will be on our blog post to go alongside this video. And this shows you more comprehensively how you can use shapes to structure your flower and how to shape your petals on your flower drawing. So I'm probably going to go straight in and just draw the petals freehand for my flower drawing. However, if you go to the blog and look at our instructions, you can see how in pencil you can draw some triangular shapes with domes on top, which can help you shape how your flower head will look. So I'm going to move these drawings out of the way. And we're going to start off by doing our stems. And I'm going to go straight in with pen. And the reason I'm doing it with pen is because it shows up on the camera really, really easily. So it's easy for you guys to follow along at home. So this is a decorative drawing. And I'm kind of going to make the stems in a loop so that it's all one connected drawing. So I'm going to do a narrow kind of U shape like so. Now, if you wanted to shape your petals, the thing to do now would be to, in pencil, kind of draw some rounded triangles on top of your stems. And then after that, you would put some domes on top, and then maybe make a smaller triangle at the bottom. I thought I would show you just how I did it in the instructions as well. You can add extra flowers on as you like, but basically the idea is that we're going to start with the main petals because they're at the front, and we're going to create these kind of, what kind of shape would I say that is? I'm not sure. Kind of lobed shapes, kind of small triangles, and we're just going to make almost like a shell or a fan shape. So we're going to put our petals in, going to the top of the dome. So yeah, we're kind of creating this shell effect with these rounded triangles all coming down to a point. And then we're going to create a little base for all of our petals, which is rounded as well. And we'll colour that in. So that's a smaller triangle. So we've kind of nipped the base of the flower in from the original triangle shape that we made, like so. And if you feel that your flower needs it, you can thicken your stem. It does also make it easier for you guys to see at home, like so. And then I might add a third flower. I like odd numbers when I'm drawing natural things. So I'm going to add another little stem here. And I'll put my base on, and I'm going to do some more of those kind of triangular petal lobes like so. And the last thing to complete our flower is that we're going to put some leaves on. So the previous flower that we did these kind of feathery, delicate leaves. These ones are going to be more solid, and they're going to be kind of like long lobes. I think that's the best way to describe them. So you're going to take a line up and out and loop it round at the top, so it's got like a rounded top, and then bring it nipped back down to the bottom. So kind of like that. So you're doing a loop, and you can colour that in, or you could add a line in the centre to make it very obvious that it's a leaf shape. So we're just going to take a loop round and add a little line in the centre, and we're going to add a few leaves to make it lovely and delicate like so. And then add some to our other stem. And I may even add an extra stem on the other side to have some extra leaves as well. Like so. And that is our completed petalled wildflower. Once you've finished, you can obviously rub out your pencil lines. I advise you wait a couple of minutes because you might smudge your pen. I hope you've enjoyed this one, guys, and I will see you for the next wildflower tutorial very soon. Bye, guys.